Today's activity is simulating Roman army training, how the Romans marched, how they trained with their weapons. We're using actual wooden swords that the Romans actually trained with. And we have a simulated target, in this case a round hay bale. And the Romans trained with a variety of different kinds of simulated targets before they ever worked on training in combat with each other. In History of War, we're really trying to reach out and engage kids. So hands-on activities like this really are the things that students remember. We have students that are in our class who have really, they've disengaged with education. They've given up on themselves and on school. And what we do is we take them and we get that inspiration going where they re-engage. They get excited about learning again. They take class notes. And if we can get some kids who would otherwise never graduate to do just exactly that, to get them graduated with a diploma in their hand, then we're really doing a service. And that's what the magic of History of War really does.
Hi guys! This is Broken Arrow!